Be ready. Start. Dear Sir, with the advancement of the new changing era, our company has brought a most reliable yet handy pocket memo and transcriber as the dictation system. The pocket memo is a pocket recorder and can be profitably used by the heads of offices, executives, and engineers while in office or outdoors or while traveling or while performing or watching the demonstrations. Traveling as the same is lightweight and can be operated with single hand anywhere anytime. Your secretary or assistant can use the transcriber to transcribe your recordings, leaving you totally free for your own important work. The transcriber provided in this dictation system has special features and makes your assistant or secretary more comfortable and efficient in performing his or her duties. You will be glad to know that the government has approved this dictation system under rate contract, and thus you can buy it with no difficulty. You can buy both the equipments or separately, as generally pocket memo is required by the officers and transcriber is used by the personal assistant or secretary. The prices of both the equipments are shown separately. We have taken liberty to enclose herewith a copy of the rate contract for your perusal and placing orders accordingly. We shall, however, be glad to demonstrate the system if desired. In that case, you may please make it convenient to call at our showroom on any working day when we shall demonstrate the system to you. On the other hand, our representative will be glad to present the demonstration to you at place and the day convenient to you. Please inform us accordingly to enable us to make the necessary arrangements. After sales and services can be provided by our approved dealers as well as by the company. Looking forward to have a favorable communication from you at the earliest possible convenience. Thanking you, we wish to remain yours faithfully. Stop.